You can set a different ringtone for different contacts on your iPhone. But as you may have already realized, the main ringtone menu under Sounds and Haptics does not have that option. To set a different ringtone for a specific person, we'll actually need to do that in the Contacts app. I'll go back and find the Contacts app on my home screen, and then I'll view my list of contacts here. You'll choose the person you want to change the ringtone for, and when you have their contact card pulled up, you'll tap Edit in the top right corner. Then scroll down a bit and you'll see a menu for Ringtone. You can then choose a custom ringtone for this person, and on top of the ringtone menu, there's a toggle for Emergency Bypass. It's unrelated to this, but that toggle allows this person's calls to ring even when your phone is on mute or you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. A cool little feature if you have someone special whose calls you never want to miss. And that's really it. Just repeat this for all your contacts that you want to give custom ringtones, and you're all set. I have another video showing how to set up custom ringtones on your iPhone, so if you want to customize things even further, check out the link to that video in the description below. And before you go, click that like button if this helped you. It helps my small channel a lot. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you all in the next video.